Well, hopefully you're getting out and enjoying the sunshine we have this afternoon and this evening. It's going to stay mostly clear, but the clouds will return late as we take a look at what we're tracking. Temperatures will still be above average, even though they will be on the cool side overnight tonight in the upper 30s. Clouds will stay with us the rest of the week and start to mix with a little bit more sunshine late in the day tomorrow and again on Friday. And we have more mild temperatures ahead. Not as warm as the last couple of days, but the next couple of days, including today, not too bad. Still a little bit above average. St. Patrick's Day weekend could have some late showers on Saturday, and we're also tracking the threat for some rain on Sunday, even some strong to possibly severe storms in the afternoon and the evening. We have made it an impact day. We will also be dealing with some strong gusty winds. So it looks like a pretty active weekend, especially for the second half. If you have plans, this is your heads up, and you'll want to make sure you stay with us online, on air, and also on our social media pages for the latest. Outside right now, you can see that sunshine, just a few clouds in the sky. Your News 8 Storm Team forecast calls for mostly sunny skies this evening. Temperatures will fall from the 50s into the upper 40s. Winds will stay on the light side. Clouds will start to increase after midnight. It's going to be a brisk night. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s with a light wind. And then tomorrow, this easterly flow that sets up tonight will be with us throughout the day tomorrow. Just bringing in a little more cloud cover towards mornings, a little upper level disturbance. But I do expect more sunshine in the afternoon and less cloud cover. Temperatures still running on the mild side in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Right now, look at these numbers. It feels nice out there. We're about 10 to 20 degrees cooler than yesterday, but we're still above the average of 49, so we'll take it. 58 in Harrisburg and Lebanon, 59 in Lancaster, low 60s in Carlisle and Chambersburg. You can see Gettysburg is in the mid 60s, and winds are generally out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. They will become more easterly though as we head into the overnight period, and that's because high pressure will continue to build south. The flow, clockwise flow around that high will bring our winds in off the ocean and set us up with that easterly onshore flow. Little disturbance here you can see. That's going to stay well to our north. We'll stay with mostly clear skies for the next few hours before, as I mentioned, those clouds return after midnight. Here's a look at Predictor, and you can see the clouds starting to come back in towards the morning hours, and then they're with us for the first half of the day, and then they start to thin out as we head into the afternoon, allowing for some more sunshine. Friday, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. It'll be a nice end to the weekend or to the week, and we are looking at temperatures back into the low 60s. Now, here's a look at the weekend planner. You can see maybe a spotty shower late in the day on Saturday, mostly cloudy, plenty of dry hours to get out, but Sunday's the day. If you have outdoor plans, if your kids have sports, it is an impact day. It is going to be very warm with temperatures in the upper 60s, but we will be watching for the threat of strong to severe storms. And there is a low to moderate threat. So we are going to be, and you can see it includes the entire Susquehanna Valley down into Maryland, into D.C. So you have plans to head down there. You want to keep an eye on things. Changes in the risk location and intensity are still possible, of course, with the threat for showers in the morning. That could also hamper the severe weather threat in the afternoon if we don't get enough sunshine, if the clouds hang on a little bit longer. So as we head into the second half of the weekend, you can see showers in the morning and cloud cover, and then in the afternoon that front is going to come in. So depending on how much sunshine we get will depend on the intensity of those storms. We'll also be dealing with those strong wind gusts, 40 to 50 miles per hour. St. Patrick's Day itself, still breezy, partly sunny with temperatures in the mid 50s. So we do drop to the 50s, but we don't stay there long. We're back into the 60s, and it looks like right now as we head towards the first day of spring, could have some spring showers with temperatures right around 60 degrees.